How to fix unable to send messages on Messenger. So first of all, make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. If not, scroll down to your control panel and you can tap on cellular data option. You can log into Messenger and then try sending messages again. Now on another step, you can re-enter your credentials of your account, such as your mobile number or email address and your password, and then try logging in again. Now, in the next step, make sure that the person that you are trying to send a message to hasn't blocked you. If that person has blocked you, you won't be able to send any messages to that specific person. Now, in another step, open Google Play Store or App Store. I'm going to launch Google Play Store. From here, if you see the option of update instead of open, tap on it and make sure that you update Messenger app to its latest version. This would fix all the app errors and bug issues. You can also tap on uninstall and then reinstall Messenger app again. Now, for the next step, open Settings. From here, scroll down below and go to Apps. Then go to the search bar and search for Messenger. Tap on it. From here, scroll down below and go to Storage. Then at the bottom right corner, tap on Clear Cache. So follow all these steps in order to fix your issue. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.